Well, we are here in the eastern Ozarks near Morrilton, Arkansas, and we're here camping with Ben from the Semper Gumby channel. He's got his camper here, and we've got a really cool campsite. It's kind of up on a hill. We've got a little bluff. We're overlooking a UTV staging area, and we got here last night, or night before last. We got here late in the night, Paul and I did, and we went to our original campsite, which is down the hill by the lake, and we slept there. The mosquitoes were really bad, but we had our DEVOS lights and the Light Ranger 2000 with the filter. It really helped with the bugs for us getting set up. Paul and I slept there, and then Ben arrived the next morning, as did another camper. We had another person showed up, and they were bringing a big old tent, and they were going to have their family with them. And it turns out they had a bunch of UTVs, and it was loud last night. So before all that went down, we decided to move and find another campsite, and we found this really cool site up here on this bluff, and it's sandy. There's sand on everything, but that kind of comes with the territory. And we're just having a really good time. We're just hanging out. We got Ben and another friend, Pete, is here visiting with us. And we just had breakfast. Ben made some sausage. And we had sausage. We had a MAMOOS Camp Kitchen breakfast scramble. We made some toast. Last night we cooked some pizzas on our new pizza oven. And it's turned out to be just a really fun weekend. We don't really have anything on the schedule, not really running any trails. We're just kind of hanging out and chilling. We've got our expert supervisor over here.
And it looks like it's powder coated. It's powder coated. It looks like it's got a it can fit most size grills up to a double size burner.
Size,
that's a
they have
24.
other. We bought the biggest one that they had.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Lightweight, packs down perfect.
The big deal is how light it is.
Yeah.
And I mean, this is exactly what we've been looking for. They can find this at TAILGATOR
Okay.
And they can use code BLACKTRUCK15.
Okay.
To get 15% off.
15% off. Okay.
So you could actually go out and stand in the middle of the residential street, look down the street, and that's where you saw the corrugated steel roofs down the street, and that's how they live.
What was that, Paula?
Oh, here we go.
Well, we're in the Ozarks, and it started raining, so we're going to have a wet and soggy Memorial Day.
Kind of went through a partial flood.
We had a wreck on the way home. We rolled the truck and trailer multiple times. First responders had to cut the roof off the truck to get us out. We were airlifted to Oklahoma City. Needless to say, we were heartbroken. In April of 2025, we found a pre-owned ZR2 that was the exact build sheet of the truck that we wrecked, which oddly enough was named Walkaway. That's when the hard work began. Well, it's been a long road and a lot of hard work, but recreating a truck that you've lost is a very rewarding experience. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you, keep walking. 2022 Chevy Colorado ZR2, full AEV build out with all the accessories AEV makes for the platform. We're here on Storyteller Row with Keep Walking. Come out and see us. It's 2026 MOORE Expo.